Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Lay each piece of Tyson Anytizer's buffalo-style hot wings onto the baking sheet. Don't stack the wings on top of each other. Bake for 18 to 20 minutes on the top rack of the oven. For crispy wings, bake for an additional 3 to 5 minutes.
Take our lead.
Featuring a savory, roasted flavor, our first and second joint flat and drumette wings make an exceptional appetizer or center-of-plate item. Fully cooked and ready to cook from frozen, our chicken reduces time and labor costs with quality you can trust.
Let's help you make your mark.
Some frozen wings are already cooked, so you have less worry about them being raw in the middle. But it still takes time because they're frozen solid and you want the outside to be crispy. Like we mentioned before, check the thickest drumette or wing and see if it's cooked through.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.